Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error code 10022 in Fortnite. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to Fortnite and select the manage option and select this folder icon to open install location. Double click on the Fortnite game folder. Double click on binaries. Double click on the Win64 folder. In here you just need to delete both folder guys. One is battle eye and another one is easy anti cheat. Just right click on it and select delete it. Now you just need to scroll down and you just need to delete the files with the Fortnite logo as well. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting this, you just need to close stuff here and you just need to select the verify option next to verify files. It will take 10 minutes to verify the files. After verifying the game files, you can play the Fortnite without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.